Okay, boys, today we will discuss different types of consumers. Different types of consumers. In a food chain, there may be different types of consumer. This depends upon how many plants and animals are in the chain. Look at this food chain, which is down here. We give special names to each consumer in this chain, in this food chain. Here you can see down. Number one, primary consumer. In this example, it is the insect. As we know, plants are producers. So next one, insect is primary consumer. So you will write primary consumers here. Okay, got it? Okay. Next we have okay. Let me adjust. Primary consumer is the insect. Secondary consumer is lizard. In this example, it is the lizard. And third is tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers. These are, in this example, this is the snake. Got it? Understood, right?
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay, take your time. So here you will write primary consumer as insect as primary consumer in this example, lizard as secondary consumer, and
Teacher,
snake as tertiary
كلمة
consumer. Sorry, Loy, what did you say?
كلمة
Consumer.
consumer أكتب.
Yes, right here, secondary, primary consumer, primary here, primary consumer. Then secondary consumer is lizard, tertiary consumer is snake, right here, tertiary consumer. Okay, now here,
Teacher, finish.
okay, Hatim. How many consumers are there in this picture, Hatim? How many consumer? Primary consumer 1, secondary consumer 2,
3.
very good, 3. There are 3. You will write here 3. 3 consumer. Different types, but 3. Got it? Okay, on page 65, we have a paragraph where there is some mistakes. There are some mistakes in this paragraph. Write in the boxes which is the primary consumer and which is the quaternary consumers. Okay, sorry, quaternary consumers. Find the 4 mistakes in the paragraph. 4 mistakes. Plants use energy from the earth or the sun? Yes, who knows? Give me the answer.
What is the question?
Plants use energy from the earth is written earth. But what is the answer?
Yes, yes.
Earth or the sun?
No, from the sun. Earth.
From the
No,
earth?
sun.
The sun, yes. They take,
Yes.
yes, they get energy from the sun. You will write here the sun. Cut this, underline and write here upwards the sun, not the earth. This is mistake. To make their food, we call the plants consumers or producers?
Producers.
Producers. Those are
Producers.
producers, right? Plants are producers. Insects and other animals are called consumers, not producers.
Consumers.
Yes. So this is a mistake. Next we have, because they cannot make their own food, the different types of producers are primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. No, they are consumers, not producer. Different types of consumer, not producer. Okay, these are four mistakes. Here we will write sun, producers, consumers and consumer. Okay, so we will write here sun. Here this is a mistake. Earth, this is sun. Consumers, we will write here producers. Producers here. Okay, this is wrong, not consumers. Here we will write producers. No, these are consumers. We write here consumers. Okay, next the same consumers. Consumer. Got it? On page 67 we have use the words in the word bank to complete the paragraph about predators
Okay.
and prey. The first one has been done for you. Some animals hunt for their food and are called predators. Animals hunt, they are called predators. The animals that are hunted and killed by predators are called prey. Predators are and prey are both consumers, because producers are, what are producers? Plants.
Teacher, 1 minute.
Because they cannot produce their own food. Okay, write them please. So now here you have some words in word bank: producer, energy, food chain, plant, prey, habitat, consumer, sun, feeding, relationship and predator. These are here in this box. Okay, you will find, this is your homework, you will find these words in this box. Okay, make the words like predator, you can see here, this is done for you, predator.
Okay.
Okay, then you have true false.
Okay.
True false are food chain. Food chains start with a consumer.
True.
True or false? With consumer, Mashari. Food chain starts with consumer or producer? Producer.
Producer.
This is false. Yes. Consumers can be predator or prey. False or true? We can use food chains for different habitats. True or false? This is your homework. This is it for today. Okay. Thank you.